Hey guys, I'm back and it's afternoon, kind of different, right? So just want to share real quick. I'm using stainless bolts and I keep on losing stainless bolts. So I really don't have Loctite or a thread locker, so I'm going to show you what I did. This one came from Spyghost, from the Pinoy Biker forums or website. So this is how it looks like. Stainless, doesn't have thread locker. Thread locker or Loctite, they cost like $500 to $750, about $10. So I used nail polish. This is only 30 pesos or less than $1, and this one works great. You don't need to worry about losing your bolts or stainless rotor bolts, any bolts to be exact. So just put some nail polish, any color will do or any brand, and then you just install them back before it dries out. I'm gonna install it back. There you go. So just wait for, I think, at least 4 hours, or much better, leave it like 24 hours or overnight, and then you're good to go. It will be like a little hard to remove the bolts, but you only need an Allen key or Allen wrench. So the other ones, I'm pretty sure they already have nail polish. I'm gonna try this one. Yep, they do have one. So again, if you don't have time to go out or buy a Loctite or a thread locker, simply go by and look for Color Trends nail polish. This one will work great, and it will last for several months. So every time you remove the bolts, you just apply a little and then install it back. When you go on trails or road, your bolts are all tight, they won't drop off. Okay dokes? Alright, yan lang muna.